Welcome back to Beauty for the Win. These are the strawberry pound cake scented items from Bath & Body Works. I have 3. It came in a 3-pack just like this. And I love the smell. They all are very strong smelling, indulgent, very sweet. It's literally what it says it is. It smells like strawberry pound cake. On the back it says fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. Mix those all together and this is the scent that you have. So I've tried all 3 products and I love them all. The first one is the Fine Fragrance Mist. Now usually I don't go for super sweet scents like for perfumes and fragrance mist, but this one, I don't know, it's so good. It smells like cake. So just spray that. Now this mist does last for quite a few hours. If you want it to last for a really long time, I suggest using the body cream on your skin first, where you're going to apply it and then put the spray over top. So like on your neck and on your wrists, put the cream on first and then the spray. It'll last a lot longer. Let's go over to the body cream. It's the 24-hour moisture ultimate hydration. Okay, smells the exact same. Just really sweet, really amazing. And I put this on my legs last night and my legs are still super soft. I get dry legs in the winter and there's the cream right there. This is a really, really good one for dry skin. There's shea butter and hyaluronic acid in here. So those two work together to create a really nice moisture for your body. Only a little bit of this goes a long way. Next is the Foaming Sugar Scrub, and I love, love, love this. I've been using Tree Hut body scrub and it's really good, but this is like even better. I really like the fact that this foams up and the smell is good. So there's the texture. It's a sugar texture. Okay, I'll show you. And you can hear it lathering up. See that? It lathers. So unlike other scrubs that just kind of can flake off or fall off because they're really dry, this one actually foams up, which is nice. So there they are. Absolutely recommend these. If you're a sweets person, this is definitely going to be up your alley. I'm also looking forward to using more Foaming Sugar scrubs from Bath & Body Works. This is like new to me. I don't know if I've tried one of these in the past. I really don't remember, but now, I mean, I'm definitely going to get more after this one. Thank you guys so much for watching this short video. Stay tuned for more beauty.